Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS. This avoids menu differences. Once done, decide whether the number was blocked in Phone, Messages, or FaceTime. Now open Settings and tap Phone. This goes straight to the system block list. You do this because Apple centralizes blocks here. It's faster than hunting contact cards. If you prefer Messages, the path is Settings Messages Blocked Contacts. For FaceTime, use Settings FaceTime and follow the same steps. Once in the blocked contacts list, scroll to find the number or name you want to restore. Tap Edit to reveal Red Delete controls, or simply swipe left on the entry. Both actions remove the block, then confirm Remove. If the entry is a saved contact, double-check the contact card in Phone or Contacts for Do Not Disturb or other silencing options. Make sure to exit settings after removal so the system updates. This ensures calls and messages will start coming through. Now verify. Have the person call or send an iMessage. You should see delivery and hear the ringtone. If nothing changes, restart your iPhone to refresh background services. This often clears lingering blocks. Make sure the contacts number was unblocked in every relevant app. Sometimes Messages and FaceTime require separate removal. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reset network settings as a last resort. This keeps Messages, calls, and FaceTime syncing. Use it cautiously because saved Wi-Fi networks are removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.